Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh, I am fresh out of the shower and my hair kind of has that like slicked back, greasy. It's very clean, I assure you. But I feel like I kind of look like, you know that asshole from Greece, like the one that street races Kaneki? I feel like I look like that guy. Is Ipsy Day. We're gonna open this and then put it on my face. It appears as though we have a thing outside of the bag, and that thing is a brush. An SL Miss Glam brush. I do really love the highlight brush that I got from them. This looks like a highlight brush. It's got sort of like white bristles with like a pink tint, and it has the bejeweled thing that our other one has right there, and a clear sparkly handle. I'm not doing well at describing things today. The bag kind of looks like it is from another era. Not necessarily a bad thing. I do like the colors. I'm not a fan of tassels though. So let's just get right into it, because the bag's really just not that exciting this month. It's a Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter. So I've seen several other people get this one, and it appears as though it is only really good if you're into super sparkly highlighters. I am impartial. I think it does look kind of like chalky in the swatch, but I'm also swatching it very thick. Otherwise, it's just kind of a sparkly highlighter. Nothing special, nothing boring though. So it is a single pan in a plastic pan. This is in the shade Moon Dust. Fancy. Black Tea London Classic Serum. Contains 100% pure black tea extract. Is black tea, I've seen this in a few things, but is black tea becoming the new charcoal? And people are all over the black tea right now. And this is from Tony Moly. I am going to, because I'm fresh out of the shower, have not done anything but tone my face. So I'm actually going to put this on, like, right now. For such a big tube, it feels like there's not a lot in here. It doesn't really smell like anything. It looks a bit, what's the word I'm looking for here? Jizzy. So I'm going to just smooth this serum. It says anti-aging, so I'm going to just smooth it, press it. It feels sticky. Where my wrinkles are, because I'm old. Ice. Pixie by Petra. This is a fresh face blush in Beach Rose. I'm not entirely convinced this is a blush for pasty people. It is very soft. This looks almost like a bronzer or a contour shade for me. Like that doesn't. Okay, its swatch is a little more pink. We'll see. Ooh, the Balm Foiled Again foil eyeshadow in the shade Locked Up. It appears to be, oh, that came off a little chunky. It looks kind of like a lavender undertoned silver. If that, holy shit, I got too much on my hand. Whoa, that's a lot. It's kind of got like a lavender tone to it, but it's silver. So I am gonna throw on some base. So that's it for face base. I'm faced. I will put everything I used down in the description box for my face base, because I didn't talk about that at all. I'm going to just use my LA Colors Shine Versus Matte palette. This one's in Midnight Magic. I'm gonna just floof up my eyelid with a brush. Really light gray up here. Then I'm going to go into the slightly darker gray. Go in the same place. It's not really doing anything. Cool toned smoky. Now I'm going to take a more tapered floofy brush. I'm going to go into this sort of metallic gray shade and mix it up a little with the matte black. And I'm just going to kind of stamp my outer corner, and then go into the crease a bit. I'm going to take a naked floofy brush and floof. And now I'm going to take my finger into Locked Up and put that on my lid. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's lovely. I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm going to go into Locked Up and I'm going to do that all across the lower lash line. I'm really liking the whole like frosty lower lash line lately. Okay, I'm going to get my mascara on and then we'll come back for face. I am going to throw on this blush. I'm going to start this more high up on my face, like a contour. Like a blushy contour. Okay, that's not bad. Look at that. Okay, that's nice. I like that. I'm going to buff it a little bit, but that's much more natural looking than I thought it was going to be. So, A++. And now the highlighter. I'm going to use the SL Miss Glam brush. I already know I'm going to love it. Highlight it. Holy crap. That is very glittery. I'm going to buff that also. I can see why some people do not like this because this is super glittery. Holy crap. Like, I love a glittery highlighter and I wasn't expecting this. I was not expecting it. It's so glittery. Holy crap. Spray my face. Get that all melted in. Maybe the highlight will look a little better. Okay, that's a little better. Now that it's like melted in with the blush a little bit, I feel like that's a-okay. And I'm just gonna throw a bit of sparkly lip gloss on. It's just Avon, so it's not important. Alright, so that is the bag this month. I think I am pleased. I am thoroughly pleased with this bag. I like it. I will have pictures of my face and my bag and stuff on the Instagram. It's down in the description box. Also with my new Twitter account, I did create another one separate from my not Zac Efron account. It is Glitter.effron, just like my Instagram. Also down in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my channel and like this video if you liked this video. We'll see you in the next one.